Hello, everybody. Welcome to Nifty Pulse Pro. Standard disclaimer before we start the analysis. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. The views and information shared here is only for educational purpose and they are my personal learning and opinions. I don't recommend any buy or action. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, so keeping that aside, let's go to our analysis that we have for tomorrow. Just to give you a background of how we do our analysis, we do not use these analysis or we do not derive these analysis based on any indicators or based on any price action. They are purely mathematical in nature. We use a very advanced logic at the back. However, we will not get into the details of that, but what we can see through these mathematical models is that the levels are very precise. It's very, very accurate. Um, and it gives you a very clear picture as to where we have a support, where we have a resistance, where we can expect a breakout and a breakdown. Okay, so what we see on the chart for tomorrow for Nifty is it's going to be a very trending day as per the Nifty structure that is made. Yes, we're going to see a lot of moves in the market tomorrow. We can expect even a mild positive gap up. However, you can see high volatility. So you'll see a lot of stop loss hunting that's going to happen. And at the same time, you can catch a trending move if you know exactly at what level to enter and exit. Okay. So what do we see for Nifty tomorrow? We have two levels. One is a breakout level and one is a breakdown level. The breakout level is at 25,951 and the breakdown level is at 25,902. Um, Between 25,902 and 25,950 is definitely a no trade zone. Do not trade here. There will be a lot of position adjustments that was going to happen. In case we have a breakdown below 25,902 for 15 minutes time frame, look for a lower support coming in at 25,869. There will be a strong bounce coming from this level, and that is expected. And that should again take Nifty back above 25,900. However, if Nifty starts to trade above 25,951 and sustains for 30 minutes above this, you can look you can expect Nifty to reach R1, which is at 26,042, and R2, which is 26,067. Now, what is the key here? The key here is you'll see strong rejections coming in from this point. Now, if we manage to break 26,067, watch for the target of 26,114. Now, this is going to be the key breakout level for the week. If we close on a daily basis about 26,114, you can consider Nifty to be flying in the coming week. Okay, but however, just be open for high volatility tomorrow. Keep in mind the level of 25,950. Above this, you should be long and not short. Okay, that's how simple it's going to be. There is no complex structures that you need to analyze. Just mark these levels on the chart and you're good to go. Okay, so let's go to Sensex tomorrow. So what do we see on Sensex? So Sensex also shows a very bullish momentum coming into picture. We have a breakout level coming in at 84,664. Yes, it's very close to a breakout tomorrow. If we break out about 84,664, expect the first level of 84,783 and the next level of 85,039. Above 85,039, we are going to be very bullish and we can touch up to 85,200. Okay. Now, on the lower side, if we break down below 84,557, there is a strong and a sharp fall all the way to 84,264, where we will see a strong support coming into picture. Now, the key is either to buy at the support areas or after the breakout. As option buyers, you should not, if you're an option buyer or as an option buyer, you should not be trading in between these zones, as there will be a premium decay that could happen. Okay, now let's all what I'm expecting tomorrow to happen on Sensex is we are expecting a opening above or around the 84,783 levels. Once we get an opening above this, you'll see a small dip coming in, like a small wick, and then I'm expecting an 85,000 level to be reached. Are we going to close above 85,035 would be a key to watch at the end of the day, which will give us a strong view for the Sensex expiry that's going to come on Thursday. Well, that's how simple it's going to be. There's no complicated structures, nothing. I'm not going to influence you on the news that is going to come. We don't see any news that is going to impact this market tomorrow. There is the Fed interest rate that's going to come on Wednesday, but that's tomorrow. So I don't see any major news impacting the market, but if there is anything, we will update you. Okay, there is a Telegram link in our description. You can feel free to join our Telegram channel. We only post our analysis on the channel. We do not give any buy or sell recommendations on it. Okay, there is an intraday level that we publish at around 9:10 or before 9:15. If you want to know what those intraday levels are of breakout and breakdown, you can join the channel and get to know that before the market starts. Okay, that's it for now, guys. It's a very short video. That's how the analysis need to be. No bells, no whistles, no who and no cry. Okay, we will review these levels tomorrow and see how well it worked. Okay, all the best. Thank you.